Hello. Okay. Let's get started with it. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for trusting. And thank you so much for every day coming on this live stream, which is a very appreciable work from all of you people. And one more thing, by coming on this live stream, don't think that it is a loss of yours or something like that. Coming on this live stream, which means that you are showing an effort that you want to learn trading. Coming on this live stream will help you understand the trading in the most easiest, simplest, and the most deepest way. Coming on this live stream will help you learn how to take a trade, help you learn how to analyze the market, help you learn how to have a patience. Like patience is the most important key in the traders. Every trader should have a patience for them, like to take the trade, to wait for the profit, to wait for the SL, every of those things you need to have a patience to make the proper mindset, to make the proper thing. Like for example, you want to do the trading, then you have to have that proper calm mindset. If you want to do the trading, if you want to gain profit, if you want to find entry, if you want to do anything, your mindset is the most important thing which you should be having in a very proper way. right? Coming on this live stream will teach you every of those things. It's not just regarding copying my trade and putting and gaining profit. This live stream is regarding providing educations. This live stream is regarding providing knowledge of the trading, how to do it, how to become a successful trader, how to start earning not the small but the bigger amount of profit. Because to be very fair, on the live stream you are seeing me, I don't do spot trading, okay? Because obviously I want to do that trading which everybody can do. I understand this one thing, not everybody is eligible for spot trading because spot will require a heavy amount of investment, which I get it. That's why I do what a future trading in which everybody can earn profit. I have told you this so many times that in the future trading, even with the smallest capital of $5, $10, 20 USDT, you still can make a very huge amount of profit by taking leverage. So I always trade in that market which is the most profitable. In the future market, we can gain profit in the uptrend as well as in the downtrend as well. We just have to pick our prediction if the market can go up or the market can fall down. That's why I try to make my live stream as much accessible to a lot of people. It's not like like you see my live stream and then you are not getting anything from it. I do the most simplest trading, that is the future trading. I just do the prediction if the price can go up or price can fall down, which you can do as well and earn a very huge amount of big amount of profits from the zbit.com every single day. Okay, so let me start my live stream. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on this live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for all the people who are joining this live stream or coming on this live stream. And my name is Yash, and I'm going to be taking care of your crypto journey for the next 4 hours. And I will be there at every point of your time, like wherever you need my help, wherever you need any assistance, wherever you need any issues you want to solve, problems you have to face, every of those things. I will be there for you because that's what I am here for. I am a crypto host which will be taking care of your crypto journey. Whenever you get a problem, I will be there to support, I will be there to correct, I will be there to help you all people. But for that one very specific thing, for help, a person always gives a help when he needs it. A person always gives a help when he can see like there is a person who is in the need of help. See, I can see you only and only by comment section. I don't have access to your phones and the cameras so that I can see you, your emotions. Like, okay, you are feeling fear, you are feeling greedy, you are feeling this, you are feeling that, you are confused or something. I won't know it until and unless you put your emotion, your actions, your doubt, your caution, anything in words. And that should come from the comment section. Okay. So in overall my live stream, whenever you have any kind of doubt regarding trading, regarding anything what I'm speaking or anything you are not understanding it or you want to understand it in a very deep manner, in more simpler manner, ask. Asking is the most important thing. If you don't ask, then I cannot help. Got it? So always make sure that this live stream is only you can see me and hear me. I can only see your comment. I cannot hear your words. I cannot see your face. I can only see comments. So make sure whenever you come on this live stream to comment on the comment section, which is the most important thing for all of you people. Okay. Whatever your doubt is, whatever your issue is, whatever your confusion is, you should be like telling me in the way of words. Okay. So with that note, my name is Yash Pawar and I'm going to be starting this live stream. So before starting this, there are 2 to 3 things which I will love to discuss. Welcome user 685601. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I hope you are earning a good amount of profit and I want you to be together with me because like you can see, I've started a challenge of turning 100 into 1000. Before I was doing 10 to 1000, but see, 10 to 1000 in 10 days is very unrealistic math. It's not possible. So I started with 100 to 1000. But even though you're having 10 20 USDT, tell me about your capital. I can help you with what kind of leverage you can pick, what kind of movement you can have, and what kind of movement you can capture in this live stream itself. Okay, so make sure this one very specific thing, that in this live stream there are three functions, not one, not two, three functions. One is comment section, which is for you to ask doubt, clear your question, anything, whatever you want to ask me, you can ask on the comment section. And second is the deposit option. If you want to be a part of me, like if you want to be part of this challenge to continue from 100 to 1000, and you want to earn a bigger amount of profit with me on this live stream, then you should be doing clicking on the deposit option, deposit a good amount of investment. And also I have told you this one thing previously as well, the more you deposit in my live stream, the more I give you back as a reward, as an offer, or as a free USDT may be. The criteria is I come on this live stream 5 days: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 5 days. In those 5 days, I want you per person. See, if you want to have those rewards and profit, and you know Zbit is not even like it's Zbit is not considerate. Okay, Zbit is very open-minded with a big heart, who is ready to give such a good opportunity, such good rewards, such good offers to all the users. And we have seen it from the new user rewards as well, which I will be explaining you what are the new user rewards, because there every day there is one new person on this live stream who is unaware about what are the powers he's holding, what are the rewards he's holding in the Zbit live stream or in the Zbit app as well. Okay, so I will explain you those things, but you know this one thing for very sure from the starting. I'm talking about the user who is already existing, who is like there since long time, like maybe it has been 1 month, 2 month, 3 week, 4 week, whatever it is. You know this one thing that Zbit always takes care of his Zbit family. You know what kind of rewards do we offer to you. It's never the small reward, it's always a bigger reward which we give to you all people. So do not even for 1 minute think like this is just like he's just saying it or something. You know it that Zbit never lies about the reward. We always provide the reward which we are giving to all of the people. So make sure to understand this one thing, that criteria of eligible to get free rewards, free offers every week. Every week I'm saying every week. I come for 5 days. After every week, I calculate data, what happened on my live stream. Okay. If I can see those things like you have done 3 deposit in my 5 trades, in my 5 day live stream, you have done 3 deposit per person. I'm not talking about overall three, per person three, then you are eligible for the criteria to get free rewards, free offers, or maybe even free USDT, whatever I think. Like it will be a mysterious surprise gift for all of you people. So you can also enjoy every week some different thing. But like I said to you, there is a criteria which you need to match. If you're not matching that criteria, then you are not eligible of getting those free rewards or free offers. So make sure in my 5 days of live stream, deposit 3 or more than 3 times to eligible that reward. Got it? Cool. So like I was saying that Zbit has a very big heart when it comes to giving offers, giving benefits, giving powers, giving free things a lot to their users, because we want, see, at the same point we have created this app for who. Welcome user 744128. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. I've told you this one thing already. Like whenever it comes to reward things, Zbit never lies. Whenever it comes to reward things, Zbit always has the most bigger heart. Okay. Now, Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which is made for all of you people. Okay, so we always take care of those people who are inside our app trading, trying to earn a bigger amount of profit for their emotion, for their support. We always provide them bigger rewards. With that note, let me explain you what are the Zbit's new user rewards. Because every day there will be a new person on this live stream, and he will be having a confusion like what is Zbit, what Zbit offers to all of us, what are the benefits of the Zbit, what are the rewards of the Zbit which I can take advantage of. So hear it very properly, listen to me word by word, because there are always sleep, there are terms, condition, blah 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 blah, those scenario. Hear everything very clearly. Okay, so let's start with the Zbit. As you all people know, Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which offers you that you can start your crypto journey when you come on the Zbit. It's a crypto platform, so it gives you a chance to start your crypto journey, take a trade in the crypto world, and earn a bigger amount of profit. Because you know compared to stock market, compared to indices market, compared to commodities, the only one market which is right now still holding the heaviest market cap, heaviest profits ratios for the customers and for not customers, because basically for the traders. For the traders is a crypto market. Crypto market has been proven, like it has came the, it is the most recent market compared to stock, indices, commodity, which is happening since ages and ages. It's a newcomer, and that newcomer has given a huge amount of profit which stock never gave, which indices never gave, which commodities never could give, which forex never could give. That huge amount of profit a crypto market is giving to you. So be, rather than regretting, because see, there are, like I told you already, that in the crypto world there are three types of people. One who is earning a huge amount of profit, who were there since the day one of the crypto market. And second, people who regret that they were not from the day one, and they're still finding that one position that I want to enter at this point, I want to enter in, I want to start my trading, I want to start the crypto market trading, I lost so much time and blah 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 scenario. Let me tell you this one thing: there is never a better timing. It is always first action, first step should be taken. Don't think about timing, because the more you think about it, the more you are losing a time. So rather than thinking about the time, take your first step. First step is the most important for you to take in the life, in your life, to have the Zbit in your life, which can give you the crypto exchange platform to take your crypto journey in your hand and earn a very huge amount of profit from it. Okay, now understand this one thing: it's a crypto exchange platform made for all of you people in, and it is giving you offer for, it is giving you option for what, trading into the most profitable market out there at this point. We all know crypto market is the most profitable compared to any other platform, any other trading. Crypto is the most profitable and most valuable as well. Okay, because this is like that next gen thing which has happened, like next gen as in, one second, yeah, this is the next gen thing, as in next gen, like currency has got a new freedom, currency has got a new face. Basically, cryptocurrencies are not gold, silver, or something like that. Do not have this one scenario in your head that cryptocurrency is gold, silver, or something like that. It's very valuable element. It is not element. It is still a currency which sole purpose is to do a transfer, transactions from one person to another for whatsoever need you have. You have need of buying that, buying this, investing that, you can opt to a digital currency payment now. Okay, that is the sole purpose of the cryptocurrency. We can trade into it and gain a good amount of profit also from it. I'm not denying that there is also one purpose which you can gain profit, but the main thing which people forget, that this is not a gold, silver, this is not commodities, this is not indices, this is not stock market, this is a currency, a simple currency which is meant for transaction, nothing else than that. Okay, due to this transaction, we are seeing that why crypto market is having such a huge attention, why crypto market is having such a huge market cap, why crypto market is the one which everybody wants to trade into it, because of the transaction. Because crypto market, cryptocurrencies are eliminating the bigger headaches, bigger stress we had. It's eliminating the government's rule on the currency. So it can give you, it can keep you safe from inflation, from interest rate cut, and so not, which only government could decide. Second thing, the banks. Banks were just like our pseudo sleeping partners, in which they are just there in our bed and eating up our hard earned money just by providing the transaction services, being a middle person. Cryptocurrency eliminated that middle person job, eliminated bank. We don't need a bank just to transfer money from one another, and for that, which bank is earning such a huge amount of money from us, right? So what we need to do is simple. P2P, sorry, cryptocurrencies are direct transfers. Like we use blockchain systems to transfer any of your money. Plus, it gives you a transparency. Transparency of what? Like bank hides everything. Like we don't know what's our money doing in the bank. We don't know what is my bank is doing. We have a slight idea that grab a lot of our money in the life pool and they invest into some stock market or some other market, which is very safe. And from there, they earn a very huge amount of profit and they share us the small money, which comes via interest of the bank. 12% interest, this percent interest, blah, 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 blah scenario. Okay. Now, if we do the blockchain system, this money which we used to see, like we never used to see where is the money is going in the bank, that is not transparent. But in the blockchain system, everything is transparent. Even if you are sharing 0.0000001 USDT, even that will be mentioned in the blockchain, which not just you, not just me, everybody who is in that blockchain can see it. So even the big money we can trace, even the smallest money we can trace. There is nothing hidden over here. Like we also always used to feel like where is that big money going in, what amount they used to trade and blah blah blah, the transaction, everything. We can see it via blockchain. It has given us a transparency. Transparency is basically giving you freedom that you are equal. Banking never gave us that freedom of transparency. Banking just gave freedom of transparency of your account, not for everybody, not for what they used to do in the back end with our money, never. But in the blockchain system, that is eliminated, and that is the sole two reasons: eliminating the banking system and eliminating the government's rule on a currency. That's the sole reason why cryptocurrency is such a huge hit in the market, and it is earning such huge amount of profits and every of those things. Like you can profit of the cryptocurrency is market cap. People are more interested in investing into the cryptocurrency. They are trying to more have those cryptocurrency, because if you are holding a cryptocurrency, trust me my friend, you are not just holding a currency, you are holding a freedom in your hand, which a government cannot take or which a banking system cannot take advantage of. This is solely your money, which you can have it, which you can use it for whatsoever purpose you want to use it. Because, like I said to you, again, I will say cryptocurrencies are not elements or anything like gold, silver, even though it is called as digital gold. But do not have this misconception in your head. Always think about just one thing: it's a currency. Sole purpose of that currency is made for transaction and to eliminate the middle person, the bank, and the government who used to rule, used to decide what will happen for the currency, like exchange rate, for the inflation, and blah 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 scenario. That because of that reason only cryptocurrency are made. Okay, and it is for transaction. Sole purpose is transaction. Understand this one. Once this is clear, now let's understand what Zbit is offering all of people. See, I gave you a little gist about cryptocurrency because that is very needed for all of you people. Don't just come over here for like I want to trade an int and I want to earn profit from it. Okay, see, if you want to trade in the cryptocurrency, then you should know about what is cryptocurrency. Then you can understand the crypto market more better. You can understand why there is so high volatility in the market. Obviously, there should be a volatility in the crypto market. See, compared to gold or compared to silver, compared to crude oil or compared to any stock or anything. Stocks are what? Companies. Gold is our element. Silver is also our metal element, whatever, whatsoever you want to call it. And other is the crude oil, everything. Like they are like things. Like not everyday transaction can be done with this. Not every day you can buy or sell any company. Not every day you can use buy gold and sell gold in that 1 second day. But the one thing which we do it every day, and that too very often, is what? Transaction of money. We pay for our stuff, we give this, we buy this, we sell this, we this transaction, giving and exchanging of money. That is a reason why crypto market is having a high volatility, because like I said to you, it's a currency which is made for transaction. More transaction happens, more some people are buying, more people are selling, more people are using for transaction, one person to another person, another person to another person. That's the reason why there is such a huge volatility in the crypto market, because it is a transaction. Whenever you see a drop of the market, somebody is using it for the transaction. Somebody just sold their XYZ cryptocurrency for more benefit. See, like as I'll tell you this one very specific thing. If you are in right now generation, if you are in the right now period of a time and you see a land, okay, you see in a Dubai, there is one land available that you can buy. Rather than using the traditional currency like maybe AED or USD, dollar or something, you can actually use the digital currency which can help you save from the government, help you save from the taxes, help you save from so many things just by doing a simple transaction via USDT. No, that is the reason why we are having so volatility, because whenever a person is doing any transaction anywhere with the cryptocurrency, he is actually giving it from his account or blah blah. In that, what he's doing is selling it, okay, and somebody is buying it. That is the transaction which is recorded into the market, which gives us this high volatility. Okay, that's the reason of the high volatility plus the investment via welcome user 483793. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. I will be solving all of your doubts. Anything if you want to ask, please feel free to ask. And if you are a new person, then tell me if you are a new person, so that I can help you with understanding the new user rewards. I can help you understanding like how the Zbit works, how to start your trading journey, and everything. So make sure that you are telling me that you are a new user, so that I can tell you about Zbit. Okay. Right now I am hello. Hello, user 483793. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much. If you are having any doubt, anything, and you are a new person over here, you don't know anything about Zbit, feel free to ask anything. How to use Zbit, how to take the trade, what is future, what is this, what is that, anything, whatever you feel. What are the rewards? What are the rewards I get it from Zbit? What are the benefits for me to use Zbit? Anything what you want to ask, please feel free to ask. How to do deposit, how to do withdrawal. There are so many questions may pop into your head, and this is that one live stream for you to drop all of your questions, drop all of your doubts, so that you can have a clear picture regarding crypto trading, clear picture regarding how to use Zbit and every of the stuffs. Okay. B, understand the situation that this live stream is for you people to clear everything, gain knowledge regarding market and all those things. Okay, so do not miss this opportunities. Okay, so like I was telling you regarding this one thing, that the Zbit's new rewards, the new user rewards. What does a new user gets from a Zbit? What is that new user reward which everybody is talking about? Okay, I will tell you one by one each and every of those things, because see, Zbit is basically like a bridge. You are over here in your own world. This bridge, if you walk, it will take you to the crypto world. And at the time when you put the first step on the crypto world, Zbit will be there giving you a hand of support with a 5 finger hold. We will be offering you 5 huge rewards. These are not a small reward, these are big huge rewards. So let me talk about those 5 finger hold rewards first. Once you click the bridge, how to walk on this bridge? Simple. You have to create an account. That is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to deposit, you don't have to invest any amount. The only thing you need to do is country code, email address, password, and that's it. You are signed up. You have successfully created an account, and you are inside the Zbit app. That is the first step you have taken. And like I said to you, at the first step, we will be there to give you 5 finger hold with the 5 rewards. First reward, once you take the first step, which is just create an account, is getting free cryptocurrency. Yes, you can earn a free cryptocurrency just by entering into the zbit.com. Nothing else. You haven't taken a trade, you haven't done deposit. We are not asking from any money, but just by putting country code, email address, password, and creating an account, you get a free cryptocurrency. Free $5, please. Now, I will tell you in what way you can earn free cryptocurrency. Not $5, but you can get free $20. $5 is very less. I can give you free $20 if you stay with me and you listen what I'm trying to say. Okay, free $20 up to I can give you. How? I will tell you. First, let's talk about the first reward, which is getting free cryptocurrency, out of which, can you see over here in the third slide on the screen? If you see the third slide, worth over $1,200, get your first crypto asset at Zbit. This is that lucky spin which you will be getting. Okay, in that lucky spin, what happens is, see, this is that lucky spin which you will be getting. As you can see, lucky spin has 8 different options. You can get Bitcoin, you can get Ethereum, you can get Solana, you can get XRP, or you can get Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, or what? Pepe Mind. Maybe like, see, there are 4 meme coins and 4 coin which is above a dollar, in which two are stable coins, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and two are altcoin, which is Solana and XRP. There is no chance like you will lose. Okay, it is 100% win. You will be the one person who will be having a complete control over that cryptocurrency. You can sell it, you can trade it, you can hold it as long as you want. Consider it as a spot coin that you can have it forever with you. There are 8 options in which you can get. Maybe you can get BTC, maybe you can get Ethereum, maybe you can get Solana XRP, maybe you can get Pepe, Shiba Inu, Doge coins. Okay, now understand this one very specific thing, that majority people will get meme coins. Why? Because meme coins are cheap. We cannot provide everybody a Bitcoin because you know the value of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is such a huge value. I cannot provide you the value of Bitcoin to everybody. Okay, so for that, what you need to do is, if you are 1 in 500, then you will get a BTC. That's the algorithm we have made in the lucky spin, that one person in that 500, every 500 user in that one will be getting BTC, more than 5 to 6 will be getting Ethereum, and 10 to 20 will be getting Solana or XRP. So make sure that you are in that like algorithm. It's basically luck factor. Okay, it's not like make sure, but I can tell you one hack. See, every household has almost around like 5 to 6 phone numbers. With every phone number, with every email address, you can open an account of Zbit. So you can give a try. At least you have, like in a house, I can say you have 5 to 6 attempts of getting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or XRP. Okay, I have told you very clearly, bluntly, that majority of people will get meme coins. Okay, very few lucky ones will be getting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and that's how a lucky reward works. It's not like if everybody gets a BTC, then what's the point of having a lucky spin? If you are lucky, then and then only you will be getting. If you are that 1 in 500 or 10 in 500, then you will be getting that. And I told you, you can open, like every household has 5 to 6 phone number, 5 to 6 email address, so you can open with everybody's, and you can see, maybe you might be end up being that lucky person who will be having BTC as a free coin that will be worth over $1,200. Okay, first, I gave you a coin which is already worth over almost $1,200, and you are asking me for just $5. It's very less. I can give you more from that. That is just the first reward. Now let's hear about the rest of the 4 rewards which are still pending. From that 5 finger hold thing, I just told you one. There are still 4 rewards yet to give. Second reward. See, you asked me for $5 free. Now, this is that point where I was telling you that you can get literally a free $20 from Zbit.com. Free. You don't have to, like I said to you, when I will say at that time you invest. Before me saying do a deposit or do investment, do not do anything. Just sit back and enjoy the rewards of the Zbit.com. So, second reward in which you can actually gain and actually have the free $20 bonus. How? See, once you create an account, once you get that lucky spin, once you have that cryptocurrency, first cryptocurrency from the market and every of those things, then you get option of what? Option of taking a first free trade. Okay, in first we gave you first free currency, in the second I am giving you first free trade, which is basically free experience of how crypto market works, how to use Zbit for earning a bigger amount of profit. Okay, you will be gaining an access of 20 USDT bonus amount, which you will be using for taking a trade in future trading. Okay, not in spot. This is this offer, this reward is not applicable at spot trade. It is only and only applicable for what? Just one second. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Sorry. I was checking my voice because I thought like in here the bar was not working, so I was checking if my voice is coming or not. Okay, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. So, like I was telling you all people that there is a chance for you to take a first free experience in the future trading. I am not giving you for the spot because spot is very simple. You buy or you sell. That's all what you're gonna do in the spot. It's basically you go to the Apple store, you give him money, he give you Apple product. That is a spot trading. You can consider that is a spot trading. Even in the market, you can come, you give money, you can have the currency in your hand. That's it. You buy at the cheap price, you sell at the high price. That's how you will earn profit in the spot market, which is very simple, which everybody knows. Okay. But future trading is little different. Future trading offers you a chance. Future trading offers you a chance of what? Of earning a profit, not in just one way of buying cheap and selling high, but in the both ways. In future trading, we are not doing any buy or sell. First of all, let's clear in the right situation that in future trading, we don't do buy or sell. What we do is we do prediction. The prediction of what? Of the cryptocurrency price, if the price can go up or the price can fall down. That's all we do. Okay. In that you will be saying that, but I'm still buying the quantity. No, you are not buying a quantity, you are actually holding a quantity. Buying and holding are two different things. You are not buying, but you are holding one quantity with you, that quantity which is giving you profit. That's it. Okay. With like, because see, because people should have in the same way, when the roulette comes, some people will put 10 USD, some people will put 1,000, some people will put like 10,000, some will put lakh, and then the roulette spin will spin. Whoever wins will have the bigger profit. The one who invested big will have a bigger profit. The one who invested small will have a smaller profit, basically, right? In the same way, in the future trading, you get option by holding it. If you want to like if you are very small, like if you are starting with 10 USD, 20 USD, then you can hold only small amount. If you want to hold a bigger amount, then you have to invest big. Simple. Okay. Now, in this future trading, like I said to you, where you just have to do what? Prediction if the price is going above or the price is falling down. Nothing else. Once you open the account, you will have two options on your screen. One is BTC here and other one is Ethereum over here. Okay. So BTC and Ethereum side by side, you have to pick which trade you want to trade. You want to trade in BTC or you want to trade in Ethereum, you pick. Once you pick that, then it will show you a small chart, very small chart. And I get it. If you don't understand the small chart, you are free that you can come on the trading view like this. You can observe a bigger chart at whatever time frame. You can do your market analysis at day time frame, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, wherever you are doing, you're trying to do the analysis, you can do that analysis. And once your analysis is done, you can see that there will be two options: buy and sell. See, let me be very, 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 very clear to all of you people that why there is a buy and sell option over here. In the, I can show you over here. Okay, one second. One second. Okay, can you see in here? This is our Zibit app. Okay, can you see on the top there are three dots? If you click on these three dots, there are two models: easy mode, classic mode. If you click on easy mode over here, this easy mode will start and it will give you buy and sell signals, right? But if you click on this again and you go for the classic, which future is about, future is like this. Future originally authentic way should look like this: open long, open short, not buy and sell. Because like I said to you, in future we do not do buy and sell. If you are seeing a buy and sell, that means you are using an easy mode, which is you can change from this three dot, go down, and this is the easy mode. Can you see easy mode? This is the easy mode, and this will happen and it will give you the most easy mode, buy and sell, so that you are not getting confused. That is for your easy understanding. Okay, it is not something for like in future we do buy or sell or something like that. Okay, it's a very simple thing that is for you not to have too much confusion. That's why we made a easy mode. But classic mode, this is how a future contract should look like. Okay, in which open long, open short, this is how it should look like. Got it? So don't get confused that I am using something different, you are using something different. It is not different, it is same. The format is different. You may be using easy mode, I am using classic mode. Okay, I will make you understand classic mode. In classic mode, you get option of long and short. Long is basically representation of buy. Short is basically representation of sell. Why we don't say buy and sell? Because we are not buying or we are not selling. Long means that I'm thinking the prediction that price can move above. Short means that I'm predicting the price can fall down. Simple. Okay. So in that you will be getting two options. In Bitcoin, Ethereum, you pick whatever you want to trade. It will show you chart. If that chart is not enough for you, go to trading view, look at the bigger chart, do your analysis at 1 hour, 1 day, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, wherever you can find the best opportunity. And after that, there will be buy and sell option. I have explained you this thing already. In the future, buy and sell, it will in the classic mode, it looks like open and short, not like buy and sell. But buy means you are predicting the price can go above. You are not buying anything, just you are just predicting the price can go above. And sell means that you're predicting price can fall down. You are not selling anything. Okay, understand this one thing. In the future trading, we do not buy or we do not sell. Once you click on anything, once you decide, like I think in the next hour, in the next minute, in the next whatever, the price can fall down, click on the sell. If you think the price can go up, click on buy. Simple. After you did it, that 20 USDT which we gave to you free, you get free 20 USDT. Okay. Welcome everybody. Welcome ADB. Welcome user 223. Hi man. Hi many days. Hi many days. Hi. What do you mean by hi many days? It has been many days that you haven't come. Crypto Amy. I missed you on the chat, Crypto Amy. You should come often. We should. I love a very good discussion, a very like what you can say, a very nice discussion regarding crypto market. What do you think about XRP? XRP. Let's see what XRP looks like. Where is XRP? XRP is not here. Let's see XRP. Crypto Amy. Where is your hi? Hello, how are you? Where have you been? Nothing. Just came and just what is happening in the XRP? Even though I will tell you what's happening in the XRP, but I appreciate if you just like say hi, hello, or something. Okay, which shall I watch? Let's watch Binance only. This is a perpetual. I am sorry. You want XRP's update regarding spot or regarding future? Let's clear that thing first. Crypto Amy. What do you want? Spot or future? Spot, future. Pick one. Pick one. Pick one fast so that I can watch that market. Right now it is future market on my screen. If you want, I can pick the spot market for you. Okay. Pick fast which market you want to watch for. You want to watch spot market or you want to watch future market? Come on, Crypto Amy. I said hi many days, which has been hi many days. Oh, okay. You said in that way. I'm not. Yeah, I want futures. Okay, got it. Okay. So I am watching futures only, Amy. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being over here. Come every day. Let's have some discussion regarding crypto market every day. I love people who are having a knowledge regarding crypto market already so that I can discuss it very properly. And I hope you are doing that market analysis thing, which I've told you the last time that this are the things which you need for market analysis. I hope you are learning it. But let's see what we can observe in the crypto market. Okay, let's go by the scroll down. I have sent it. Okay, got it. Got it. Keep me. Got it. I might have missed out. It's fine. Let's go on a day time frame. Let's discuss from the longer picture to the smaller picture, everything. So, as we can see, after a very huge jump in the market, which reached at from 1.17, understand this one thing, Crypto Amy, that as the market has made a very huge rejection from the market. Can you see a very huge rejection from the market? This is one candle. You know the candle body, open, close, high, low. So from the lowest point, you can see a very good rejection from the market. Now, this rejection means what? Will it rise again? Please tell me soon. It will rise again. Okay. Depending on the market, I really don't think so that it will rise again. It is still in the downtrend. You can clearly see the market is going for a downtrend to downtrend to downtrend. And please, one more thing, as the market structure is a downtrend, it will go for a downtrend. Plus, can you see a very huge candle of this? Can you see a very huge lower wick candle, which is giving you what? This lower wick candle basically means like from this point, a lot of buyer has entered in the market, right? Now, you all know that in the market, the market needs liquidity. Liquidity comes from where? From our order when it goes in the loss. So this is that point where market can again come down to, okay, where you can have that thing where the market can come down to from this rejection level to eat up a lot of stop losses of people. As a lot of people went for buy from this side, that means a lot of stop losses are basically kept over here in the futures and also in the spot, maybe both. I'm not saying for one single thing, I'm saying for both. Even from the future, a lot of people may have went for prediction of the buy and they're still in the profit. They're still in the profit. For them to make a loss, for them to liquidate themselves, market can come down again to that point. But it is just 20 to 30% probability, because market to dump this much will require a huge amount of sell orders coming from the big whales, coming from the crypto, sorry, not from the crypto, corporate people, which likely they are not doing anything. The whales are not doing anything, the corporate people are not doing anything, they are just silent, they are not investing, they are not putting their money, or they are not even taking out their money. They are just dead silent, they are letting the retailers take the market. Okay, from this point I really think that. And you can also observe the trend line. Can you see the trend line support? This is the trend line. Okay, this trend line, we can see that the market is taking a trend line resistance, which means that all the time whenever market is coming to trend line, market fall, market coming to trend line, market fall, and till now point the trend line has not given a breakout. So market to go above, it will require a heavy investment from the bull, like those big players, the corporate people, the whales, which cannot be seen until the time this trend line is broken. So I will make sure to understand. I will draw this trend line for you over here. This is that trend line, resistance trend line, in which we can see market is not going above. For it to go above, it should give a breakout. Okay, so observe this trend line a lot. Once the trend line gives a breakout, that is a point which you can enter for the buy situation, and from that point you can have a very good buy. Okay, now again another scenario. If I look at some zones, if I say about some zones, okay, so this was one point from where the market created an all-time high. This was ATH, all-time high of the Ethereum, right? At this Ethereum all-time high, if I calculate, if I plot that zone, okay, let's plot that zone of the market. See, this is that zone of the market. You have 50% chances that market can jump because you are at the demand zone of the market. This is that demand zone. I will put it in a green color. Okay. This is the demand zone of the market from where a heavy demand came and made what? A all-time high. Previous all-time high was made. So market from the supply came to the demand again. Now there is a chance. Chance for what? For market to take a demand from over here and go back again. But it depends only if the whales are investing in the market or not. Because you know this one thing already. We retailers, we cannot make a movement in the market. Okay, we can just give a support. We are supporting characters, we are supporting roles. The main movement, the main price, the main investment, heavy, huge investment is only done by the whales, the corporate, and the institutional people. Okay, so yes, the market is at the demand zone, which you can see. This previous demand zone, which made all-time high, market is at that point. There is chance for you to have that breakout, but it depends on the people. Now, I gave you two things. One is this trend line. one is a trend line support. You can consider like, yeah, this is your trend line support. So for market to jump above, two things are required. One, it is in the demand zone. Good thing, it is a good thing. I placed an order yesterday at 2.0322, all time high bar, all time high 2.03. Let me see, 2.2.2.03, 2.3, 2.3. Okay, at like maybe from this position, right? Yeah, you made a mistake. Yes, yes, I will like, see, I'm honest with you. I don't want to give you like false hope or something. Yes, little bit you made a mistake by entering at this price for that too high position. I get it. You might have done it for like market is making a structure of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You should have entered the trend line for the low position when the trend line was hit and the market started falling. At that point, if you would have entered for the low position for the down prediction, it would have been a better option. But as you have entered for a buy over here, see, it will take time. You might be BN. What do you mean by BN? User 609286. Let it be. So as we can see a structure as well with the trend line support is there. Trend line resistance is there. This is trend line resistance. The support we can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. After a lower high, market always makes what? A lower low. Lower low, the previous lower low is here. So obviously market will try to go below this point. You should have watched the market structure a little, that as the structure is making what? Lower low, this is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, in this recently market made what? This was a lower high, a resistance fall, and from there obviously whenever from the lower high market goes to make what? Lower low. You should have thought about this situation and you should have went for a down prediction, which is price can fall prediction, and that too you should have kept it at just lower low. As you can see, this was previous lower low, market came down, previous lower low, market came down. Market to make and continue the down structure will always break the previous lower low. For us right now, previous lower low is this, so market will break this level. Since yesterday I entered, the all-time high started rising, not where you are marking, not where you are marking. Okay. You said okay. This is yesterday's candle. Okay. Can you see 5 December? It is seeing 5 December over here. 5 December's all-time high is 2.11. Or I may be watching any other market. Like, wait, let me see. Let's future. Let's see an XRP over here itself. Because sometimes the prices differ. Okay. Let's see one day. This was 2.15. Yesterday's all-time high is 2.15. Can you see? If I pick an arrow over here, you can see over here open, high, low, close. If I pick on yesterday's candle, then it is 2.1566 is all-time high of yesterday. That was the all-time high of XRP yesterday. Am I right or am I wrong? This is yesterday's candle, whole candle. I am watching a day time frame. In a day time frame, that candle is representing complete 5th of December. Sorry, today's 5th, right? Yeah. Why we are one day back? Yeah. You can see the all-time high of that was 2.1566. Yeah. Got it? So that is a point. Plus, like I said to you, that here is a trend line. First, you should have observed is a trend line. A trend line resistance market is having, and market is making a structure of downtrend. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Market has made recent a lower high. This is the structure of downtrend. That's what we see, a downtrend. Market will always break the previous lower low to make a new one. This became a new, And for this to new, it will break this. For this to new, it will break this. Can you see break of previous low, previous low, previous low to create a new one? Same scenario happened over here. This was previous. Let me delete 1 second. Okay. This was a previous low, got broke. Previous low, got broke. Now this is the recent blow. You are right. I thought it is 4-hour candle. No. It is not 4-hour candle. It's not 4-hour candle. Okay. Now this is the recent lower low which we have. So market to continue the downtrend, market will come beyond this price, which is basically you can keep it as 1.1. Wait, I will give you accurate. Let me delete this. Let me see what is it. 1.83 you can go for doing a short. See, if you're having some losses, I suggest to you close it, because see, it is gonna fall down. It is not gonna go above from that point. Okay, it is gonna fall. So you can go for 1.83 as your target for down, because as the structure is forming what? A down structure. Okay, it will take time because this is 1-day candle I am observing, just 1 day. If I go by a little, let's observe 4-hour or 1-hour candle so that we can get accurate. In a longer period time, I told you in a like a longer term, market is falling down and trying to break the previous lower low of a day, which is 1.83. Okay, in a longer term. What may happen today or tomorrow? Let's observe 60-minute time frame. In the 60-minute time frame, we can clearly see that market is at a demand zone. This is that demand zone. Can we see that market is at a demand zone? And from here, in a 1-hour candle, the market sees. Can you see a green candle formation over here? Which means the market is taking that 1-hour demand zone from that one point. Okay. So from the supply, market has came down to demand zone, and here two situations are possible. One situation is that, 1 second, where is pencil? Yeah. One situation is that after coming to the demand zone, market will consolidate for a little while, trying to look for a bigger investment. If a bigger investment comes, then it can go up. If the bigger investment doesn't come, then it can fall down. Okay. I told you a bigger scenario. That day was maybe a week scenario. After a week, market can come down to 1.83. What can happen today? Your trade can still go right. Crypto Amy, how I will say. See, in a 1-hour crypto, in a 1-hour chart, what we can observe is that market is in the demand zone. This is the demand which created a very huge investment. Now, from the supply, market has came back to the demand zone. In the demand zone, for a little while, market will consolidate. Market will go sideways because there is no investment. It came to supply zone, done. From here, it will decide. It will do consolidation phase. It will go sideways. If investment comes, it will jump. If investment doesn't come, it will fall. Simple. In a 1 hour, in the next 2 to 3 hour, or maybe by the end of a day, we can see. This is not a confirmation. Please don't tell me. Yeah, see, it's a hope. It's because of it's not, see, something which I'm lying. Whatever I'm observing, I'm telling you that this is the demand zone of the market, and we are at a demand zone, and we can see a little green candle formation is happening over here. Okay, so that means this is basically, see, sometimes it is just a sentiment trading. Sometimes it is just a sentiment trading. Sentiment of what? Sentiment of people like us. Like whenever we think like I have closed and placed sell. But it's fine as well. It's fine. I told you that day time frame, it's a long term thing. 100. Okay. But see, this is a sentiment which is happening over here. In a 1 hour time frame, we are observing like market is at a demand zone, but in here it will consolidate. People are not investing. You don't have to worry about this thing. It will fall only because we have not yet made a lower low. Can you see any lower low here? There is no lower low at here. New lower low has not been made. So this is just a sentiment which people go, like whenever we see a demand zone, people start buying, buy. This is that one sentiment which is happening over here. This is not a change of direction, change of market or something. It is just a sentiment. Don't worry. It is good thing what you did, because on the day time frame, if you observe, the longer picture is saying that market is trying to go below this point. The resistance is not yet been broken. Okay. In the longer period, it is fine. If you even have entered and closed and entered for buy, sell, it is totally fine. Totally fine. It's just a sentiment trading which is happening over there. Okay. Don't worry regarding sentiment trading. It will fall back again, because like I said to you, there are no investor in the market at current, and plus it is Saturday. Trust me, Saturday Sundays are those two moments where big player never enters in the market. This is one of that moment where big player won't enter in the market. Okay, so don't worry about that thing. So don't worry at all about that thing. It is totally fine. Okay. Cool. So this was regarding XRP. I've told you regarding XRP. She didn't listen. She slash he didn't listen what I was saying completely. My market analysis was not done complete. And you closed and sell now in the hour. It's again going back. I was about to tell you that you can close your trade once it comes near your entry price. It is trying to go near your entry price only. And this is a fair value gap over here. A fair value gap which will be tapped, and it will make it market fall more down. That is what I was trying to explain at that moment, but it is fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's really fine. It will go down only. You don't have to worry regarding that. So I will explain you regarding the reward. The second reward. Welcome user 610129. Welcome user 7276. 762723. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much. So yeah, so I was explaining about the second reward, which is a free 20 USDT which you get from the Zibit to take the first free trade. You can take it. In that trade, once you pick the prediction, if you want to go for buy, if you want to go for sell, once you pick the prediction, that trade will be active for just 1 hour. Do not consider it will be active forever and ever and ever. It will be active just for 1 hour. After 1 hour, whatever amount of profit you are gaining from the market, it will come in your available balance, and rest of the money will be gone from your account. Okay, that's it. One will come in if you gain profit, it is completely your profit. We don't want any share from it. Just that 20 USDT bonus will be gone away from your account, and rest of the whatever profit will be visible in your available balance. Once that thing is done, once your available balance thing is done, you will be having this thing, like if you are facing loss, then that nothing will be shown in your profit. If you are having minus whatever, nothing will be shown in your account, because you are lost the money and you don't even have to pay for, like, because it was R20 USD. So even if you lose it, that's totally fine, because we gave it to you for first free experience. Okay, now understand the new referral commission which you have got as well for all of the people. Referral commission gives you a chance that you invite your friends, you invite your family, you invite your colleagues and a lot of people, and make them be a part of Zibit family, which can give you free money, free commission. Okay, now how it works, what happens, I will say. First, what is going to happen is that you have a referral commission. I will show you where you can get your invite code. Okay, let me just show you Zibit. This is Zibit. Okay. Yeah. This is Zibit, the home page of Zibit. And can you see over here referral? This is that referral thing. And in here you get your code. This is the code. Okay. So where to find the code? I showed you already. You go back. Home page of Zibit. This is the corner thing. Can you see corner referral? This is your referral thing, and this is your code. Okay, this is your invite code. This is where you can find your invite code. Okay, so once you click on that invite code, you copy paste to your friends, family, colleagues, whosoever you are sharing. He, us, that XYZ, he slash they, them person has to put it on the on here invitation code. Can you see invitation code over here? He has to put, he slash they, them has to put over here invitation code. Okay, they copy paste it, and then only it will register under your name, and you get commission for that. Okay, how much commission can you get with how much people you invite? Let's say you invited level 1, you invited you invited 1 to 4 people, you get 20% of commission on it. Okay, 20% of commission. If you invite level 2, then you get 5 to 9. If you come to level 2, if you invite 5 to 9 person, you get 30% of commission. If you come to level 3, then you have to invite 10 to 29 people, and you get 40% of commission from that. And if you invite level 4, if you invite 30 or more, then you get 50% of commission from it. 50% of commission. Can you imagine 50% of commission? By doing what? By doing nothing. By just sharing that, yes, by sharing it to your friends, family, colleagues, the Zbit app, making them come to the Zbit family, making them enjoy the benefits, rewards which Zbit family offers to you all people, and earn a side by side heavy money from it. The commission, referral commission. This is a new program which we have started for all the users, new and existing users, for everybody. Just invite more people. If you invite 1 to 4, 20% of commission in your account. 5 to 9 people, 30% of commission in your account. 10 to 29 commission, 10 to 29 people invite, 40% of commission, 30 and more, 50% of commission you get. Okay. There are some small terms and conditions. Just 3. Not a lot, just 3 terms and conditions. I will tell you about those terms and conditions now. T and C. First terms and condition is invite code. You have to put an invite code. I have told you this is that invite code which you can pick from here. See, back. Just a minute. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay, this is the home page. Can you see a home page over here? In that home page, can you see this referral? Click on that referral and you will be coming over here, and this is your invite code. Okay, so first thing is invite code. Invite code is very important. This is the terms and condition. Invite code should be kept over here. Can you see invitation code? Invitation code. It's an optional. They, like, whosoever people you are inviting, he slash they them, whosoever people you are inviting, he slash they them should have put the invite code over here. Okay, now this is one condition. Second condition is first deposit. Obviously, after, and that would deposit not just after opening account. After opening account, he will get the first cryptocurrency the same way what you got. Then the first free trade of 20 USDT, same what you got. And after that, when he starts his trading journey and he does the first deposit, and that too should be from live stream only. Can you see in the live stream? I will show you in the live stream. Okay, this is live stream. 1 second. Yeah, no volume. I don't need volume. Okay, can you see the live stream? In this live stream, can you see there are 2 options? One is take a trade, deposit, right? So that person, whenever he's doing the first deposit, should do it from here. Click on this and then do the crypto deposit from here. Okay, he can pick whatever he is depositing, fiat or crypto, whatever he's thinking. Why the event has been increased from 10 to 100 on up to 1000, and why is it I cannot transfer future values to spot? Why you are facing difficulty in transferring? Transferring is so very simple. It's just you have to click on the transfer and then you can transfer it. Why you are not able to do it, Crypto Amy? Maybe like refresh or start it again. Maybe that's my balance is non-transferable. Why? This is new. This is very new. Like your balance is non-transferable. I don't know. Can you drop your UID to me? UID. Please drop your UID so that I can ask higher authority about why this is happening. why your balance is not transferable and blah 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 thing. Okay, please share me your UID because this is a very new thing for me as well. And the reason that 10 has changed to 100, because see, I started with the 10, they show my balance and say non-transferable. Can you share me your UID? Share me your UID. I will connect with my team and then they will help you with this. Just share me your UID. I sent you message on Insta. You haven't responded. I never got a message from you on Insta. Where is that message? When did you send me message on Insta? I never got your message from an Insta. Like, what is your user ID so I can see? I don't see any like new message or something like that. Are you using like? Are you texting him the real person? Like me? Because I don't think you texted me or something. I don't have any new message related to any, like I never saw any message which is asking me regarding any market update or something. Crypto Amy. Please share me your UID. I will ask my people why you are not receiving UID and every of those things. Please share me your UID, Crypto Amy. Please do share me your UID so that I can ask why your spot balance is not able to go there. And the reason why we changed from 10 to 100 is, see, when I started trading in the $10, I'm not denying this fact that I was not getting profit. I was getting profit, but very small, like $5, $10, 20. That's all the profit I was getting. And in that 10 days, making that with a small profit and changing it to 1000 is very hard. So I change it to 100 because of the, it is a 10-day challenge. Okay, so in that 10 days, $10 cannot become 1000. It is not possible. Okay, I will share your UID. You are transferring from spot to the future, right? Crypto Amy? And I haven't received any Insta messages. Really, I haven't received any Insta messages. So are you changing? First let's clear your issue. We'll discuss that thing later. You are changing from spot to the future, right? From spot you want your amount to be transferred in the future, correct? Yes. Okay. Okay. I will share. User. Future to spot. Okay, you are doing futures to spot. Okay, got it. 10142144, trying to transfer amount. Spot. Future to spot, sorry. Future to spot, but it says non funds. Yeah, I got it, Crypto. I've shared it. From future to spot, you cannot transfer. It is saying non-transferable. I don't know who is there. Mm, I thought I was the only one. You see, I thought I was the only one. What do you mean I thought I was the only one? Okay. They have responded, like they have admitted that there is something, and they will look after the reason. Whatever reason they share to me, I will share that same reason with you, Crypto Amy. But for that, stay on the live stream for like more than we will discuss regarding our market, what is going to happen more and blah blah thing. You can only transfer your total deposit, but not the total deposit. You can only transfer to total deposit profit, not the total. Wait, they responded something. Wait. Did he deposit via fiat? If so, then he won't be able to transfer. Did you deposit via fiat in your future? Crypto Amy, they responded with me a question that did you deposit via fiat? If you have deposit via fiat, then you cannot transfer from future to the spot. They are saying like that. Have you deposited via fiat, Crypto Amy? Fiat. Okay. So maybe that's the reason, because once you deposit via fiat, you cannot transfer that future money into the spot money. Okay. That's the reason they are giving me. I have no like yeah, but why? Okay, let because I also don't know why this is. I will also get to know the information. But why? Okay. I asked the same thing, whatever you said, I asked him, but why? Any reason for that? If he gives me any reasons, I will update with you. I will update you. Like maybe there is some policies, company policies in which if you do a fiat deposit, then you cannot change that to the spot thing. I don't know why, but yeah, there might be a reason for that, which I am not aware of. Maybe some company policies of like that black to white thing, like we don't know from where that money came and blah. I don't know what, something like that, maybe something like that, according to my, like if I go by any logic, I really think it's because of that, like fiat deposit, we don't know from where it is coming, if it's a genuine, if it's not genuine, blah 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 thing. And then if you transfer the spot thing, that means you are legitimately buying that thing for the real money. Maybe it's something to do with this, but let's see. I've asked the question. They will respond to me. But why? Like, what's the reason behind it? Like, why we cannot do it? I will share you the reason once I get it. Okay. Thank you. So, as I was telling you all people that there is the referral commission which you get is this. There are some. Is it starting to spoil everything? I thought about that. What do you mean? It is starting to spoil everything. I thought about the app. What is spoiling? If it's spoiling, come to me. I will help you make it more better rather than spoiling it more. If this is starting to spoil everything, I thought about that. I get it. Like you are a little upset, but the company policies are company policy. We cannot do anything for the company policies. But I will give you reason, like I will get to know the reason and then we will discuss it. But see, this is one of those things, like see, not everything is good. Everything has good and bad side. Fiat, see, company may have been facing those situations, like buy the fiat transfer or buy the fiat this. we cannot do something, or something bad must have happened with the company, so that they have imposed this law, they have imposed this rule. Maybe about that, but it's not just spoiling. Just one thing, that you now you make sure to understand that don't do a fiat transfer. After that, do a normal crypto deposit or normal crypto withdrawal. Okay. Whenever people, like, we have seen this one thing, whenever people does a fiat transfer, a deposit or a withdrawal, there are always some complications, there are always something wrong with the fiat, because company has faced those things in the previous things regarding the fiat transfer of deposit and withdrawal. So to avoid those things, then they should just make a P2P order. No, you're not getting the point. See, as for example, if I am a class teacher, okay, in my class there is one thing which is happening a lot of time. There is one guy who is misbehaving in the class a lot of time and creating a nuisance. For that thing, my whole thing is getting dumped. My class is getting not getting in a one flow, not getting in one thing. So to stop it, I have to take some actions regarding that, and I have to make sure that this thing won't happen again. The same scenario happened with the company. Whenever we used to do the fiat transfer, like deposit and withdrawal, we used to face some scams by the people. I'm not saying that you are the one. I'm not denying. I'm not saying that anything that you are the one. But we face such issues via fiat deposit and fiat withdrawal, due to which we had to impose such things, because we don't want any backlashes to happen on our app, so that the app has to stop completely because of 1 to 2%. So that thing not to happen again, we have imposed this 2 to 3 rules only regarding the fiat, not regarding anything else. This is only regarding fiat because we faced some issues which I cannot explain to you like in a very deep manner. But yes, company faced some losses regarding this fiat deposit and fiat withdrawal. We had to face some loss regarding this, because a lot of people, what they do is like they transfer from the fiat from some other exchange and they take it from other, because to save the transfer fee and to make the black to the white, because due to which we face some losses. Because of that, we made some rules and regulation only and only for the fiat deposit and withdrawal, nothing else. Okay, is someone making a fake transfer? That's what we think. That's what has happened with us previously. Okay, previously. So to avoid that mistake not to happen again, we just impose this rule. That's all. You can use that amount, you can use that fiat, whatever deposit is there in the future, you can use that to earn profit, to take a trade. Anyways, you require money to take a trade. You have already deposited it. Rather than doing a spot, you can go for a future trade. You can earn bigger profit in the future rather than going for that. And really, this is not nothing about the app. This is about saving the app basically. And this is not like we should only do P2P or something like that. That's a very wrong thing to say. We are saving ourselves because we have seen some issues in the past which we don't want it to happen in the present and in the future, so that we will face some losses. So this is one platform where you earn profit, we earn profit, we be equal positive together. If one thing is negative, obviously it will affect the other person negative as well. We don't want that. We want this platform so that everybody can earn profit and nobody can do this scam and all this kind of stuff. So that's the only reason why fiat deposit and fiat withdrawal faces major loss, like major of the problems. So okay, now I understand my battery is low. Later I will join you. Thanks for the support. Sure, Crypto Amy, thank you so much. I know you are upset, but really sorry. Because of this past thing, this is happening. Other than that, there is no other reasons. Okay. He says so that user would trade on the platform, not just deposit, withdraw the fund. Yeah, that's the same reason he said to me. So that user would trade in the platform, not just deposit and withdrawal from the our app. Like we are not P2P market where you just deposit and withdraw from the end. We are a trading platform. If you have invested money, if you have deposit money, that is for trading. That's the same. That's the same thing what the customer guy also said to us, that it is for you to trade, not to just like we are not just a passing or medium thing, like you are making that black thing white, fake thing white, or whatever it is. Okay, so sorry for that, but again, it is a company's policy which we have to take care of for not facing any losses or anything. Okay, so that is a trading money, use it for the trade, gain profit and withdraw the profit. Who cares? Okay, so as I was explaining you the terms and condition of the referral program, first is the invite code, Second is the first deposit via live stream. I showed you that there is a deposit option in the live stream. I will show you again. 1 second. See, this is the live stream. Can you see there is a deposit option? Can you see deposit option here? Click on that deposit. Click. Yeah, click on the deposit option and do the crypto. See, don't go for the fiat deposit. It always creates problems. It's better do the crypto deposit over here. Click on this and complete all the process and blah. That should be the first deposit for that person who is coming via your invite code. Okay, only from that option I showed you, from live stream deposit option. Okay, now third condition is that 5 trades should be completed. Okay, 5 trade doesn't matter, whatever trade is, buy, sell, or profit loss does not matter. 5 trades should be completed. Even if you are entering the market and leaving it in just 1 minute, that is also fine. 5 trades are gonna be acknowledged and you will receive that 20, 30, 40 or 50% of commission depending on the number of people you are inviting on the platform. Then this is the referral thing which you are gonna get from Zbit, which is a new program started for the new and existing user both. Okay, in the last there is one feature of AI cont bot which is very helpful for you. See, most of the time we get confused in which coin should I trade, in which coin is the most trendy coin, in which coin I can make the most profitable coin. Now your worry has gone because Zbit has introduced a new AI cont bot named Z, which will be giving you a last 1 hour updated trendy coins. I will show you that as well. Okay, once again. Okay, if you haven't updated the phone, please make sure to update the phone. Okay, and once you update the phone, you will see something like this on the live stream. See, this is the home page. Can you see a home page? This is the home page, and in the home page, can you see AI cont bot, and that bot name is Z, and that Z is gonna give you the most trendy coins which is there to trade. Okay, so you can pick those coins to take a trade. He will always second. Yeah, it will give you, he will give you the options like which are the most trendy coins. Sometimes there are 4, sometimes there is 1, sometimes there are 2 or 3 depending on the trendy coins. He will show you what percentage is like market has fall. You can see the percentage over here, and he will also give you a signal. See, but again, like I said to you, it's an AI cont bot, it's an AI signal. So it is right now showing you for what, go for long and long, like you go for a buy situation, but it's a AI signal. Don't blindly trust it. Do your market analysis as well before entering into the market. Okay, just don't blindly trust the AI cont bot. I'm not saying that it gives you a wrong signal, but what if, because see, AI does what, AI does the calculations. For that moment he's giving you long because more buy orders he's calculating in the app. What if the next 5 minutes once you enter, the bigger sell order starts coming, that and then it will change to sell. It is all the calculation which it shows. So you can just pick it for the most trendy coins which you can trade on. Okay, this is AI cont bot name Z. Okay, let me log in into my account. Application code. Welcome user 421378. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of live stream. Thank you so much. This is done over here. I wanna delete everything. Okay, everything done. So let's start our day second of turning that 100 into 1000. We will make sure, see, if you want to earn a very good amount of profit, I would love to tell you, please join this challenge with me. Click on the deposit option and be on this platform with me. Click on that platform and click on the deposit and deposit. See, whatever, I'm not saying to deposit 100, deposit whatever you can, 10, 20, 30, 40, but make sure to tell me what capital you have so that I can tell you about the leverage which you can take, what kind of leverage you can take, at what point, for what position, and blah blah situation. You can tell me, and then we can start our live trading at this platform. Okay. First, let's do market analysis of coins. XRP, BTC, Ethereum, Solana. I want to see Resolve BT as well. Why you are here? Scale. Find out. Why this thing is here? Move scale to the right. This, right. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. We'll leave the zones. Zone should be mentioned. Okay. I'll extend this zone first. So as we can see in the Resolve USDT, first the supply zone is acting perfect. Supply zone took a supply at here, 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 3 times, fourth time, and fifth time market is taking a perfect supply where it should take. Our supply zone is working in the perfect way. So from the supply zone, market came down, and slowly, if you can observe, the support of this recent market is increasing a little by little by little by little. It is not falling but increasing. But still, it is aggressively going for the supply zone and it's aggressively falling for that. More it falls, the more it takes a closer support, not the far support, but the closer support. Okay, indicating what? Indicating that the buyers are not ready for the market to fall at this, that they are trying to save the as much as value of the market from this point, and they will make sure that this market will again go to, like, they're trying to basically break the supply zone of the market over here. I want charger. Good. So okay. Welcome user 353445 and welcome user 878345. As we were discussing this regarding the resolvability, like we have made a perfect supply zone, our supply zone is working, that has not been breaking it. See, this is where a liquidity trap comes. One, the market is taking a same fall, same resistance a lot of time, that makes this point as a very liquidity trap zone. Okay, in this what we can observe is, first, the market, if you look in a bigger picture, okay, can we see a little triangle formation over here, that this is a same resistance, and but the support is gradually rising above, support is going above but taking the same resistance. It is called as ascending triangle chart pattern, which is ready to give you a very big movement. I will show you how ascending right. Can you see? Isn't it the same movement which we can see in the market? Like the resistance is at the same level, resistance is not changing, but the support is going a little high more of the time. Can we observe the same scenario? See, it's a 1 hour. If I change it to the 4 hour time frame, you can see it more clearly. Let's see. See, in 4 hour chart, you can see it more clearly. The resistance point exactly from the supply zones, the way we have plotted in the way back when we were taking the previous. I don't want this, I don't want this, I want to delete. Okay, same exact point resistance we are taking. This is our resistance point, I will draw it, and then this is our support point, which is little in the curve, but yet you can like make it it's little in the curve, it's not exactly the same, but at least the support is rising. Okay, watch it in that day. Yes. Okay, in a day, in 1 hour, done. This is that one support which is going, and this is that one resistance which is going, which is making exactly a pattern like what? A pattern like ascending triangle chart pattern. Same exact chart pattern, ascending triangle chart pattern. It is, this is exactly how it looks, and it is trying to break where? It is trying to break above, but it can be liquid trap as well. where it can fall down and we will have a loss. So for that, until and unless we get a breakout from here, this will be a breakout scenario where we can get a breakout. We have to observe the line of the supply zone. If it goes up again and falls down, then this is not the entry. But if it gives a breakout at this point, then that is our entry. And our entry can come till where? Can you see a very huge gap? Can you see a very huge gap over here, which is our fair value gap? Okay, so basically fair value gap means that there are pending limit orders placed over here for sell side. Market can come up over here, collect that sell orders, and may can fall again or can go straight, keep going up. Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all if it's falling or if it's going, but surely it will try to come to the fair value gap if it gives a breakout which it's supposed to give. Okay, I will show you 2 to 3 examples of it. See, this is an example of it. Resistance, support, breakout above. See, this is a downfall. Resistance, support, breakout above. More. Yeah. Resistance, support, breakout, and then up. Okay, and if you observe this one thing, the safe target, because see, chart patterns actually give you the safe targets. Now what can be a safe target over here? We can calculate the resistance R1 and first support of the market, which is what? Almost 15% of the market. 15% of the market is a distance between R1 and S1. Okay, now that same thing which we can calculate, let me just clear the chart a little so that it will be more better visible for all of you people. Okay, which will look something like from here. If let's say this is the point of the breakout, from here we'll go and we'll drag 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Okay, this is the 15%. Okay, can you see this is almost the 15% of the market, and we can see a small fair value gap exactly at the 15%. Can you see a small fair value gap? This is a small fair value gap at a 4-hour time frame, and if I calculate the distance between this and the fair value gap, it comes around 15%. Can you see it comes around exactly 15%? The distance between our breakout and the fair value gap. Can you see this is how you can identify the market, from where I have to enter, from where I have to gain my target, from where I have to exit the trade? Simply by watching the chart, knowing if the chart is making some chart pattern, that is good. If it is making some market structure, that is also good. Right now it is making a structure which is market pattern, chart pattern, which is ascending triangle chart pattern. Breakout is possibly till the point of 0.094, sorry, yeah, 0.09394. You can go for that kind of profit. 0.09394 only and only after the breakout, not before that. No entry before the breakout. Okay, entry should be after the breakout only. Okay, this is for resolve v USDT. So right now we don't have opportunity for resolve v USDT to take a trade. We have one small one, but I am feeling dicey about it. See, whenever the market comes from where, see, market whenever takes a support, obviously it is going where it is going, it will go to the, see, from support, resistance, from support, resistance, from support, resistance, from support, resistance. So we can assume that from the support again market will go to the resistance. That one trade we can take, but it's a dicey situation trade. It's not a very accurate trade that you can be having a short profit. Let's see if we can see some divergence. If we see some divergence, then we can be sure regarding that. This is that peak, and this is that peak, indicating down, but still in the 50. 50 means the market is nor in a uptrend or nor in a sideways trend. 50 is a base. Can you see the whole market right now? It is at a 50 level. This is the level. Can you see 50 over here? 50 means that it is in the center. Neither it is having an uptrend, neither it is having a downtrend. Whenever it goes above that point, trying to go beyond 60, beyond 70, then we say a very strong uptrend is there. And when it goes beyond 30, then we say a strong downtrend is there. Right now, it has a baseline of 50. That means 50-50 possibility. Never take a trade in 50-50 possibility. It will always go wrong. Always go. It will always go wrong in those possibilities. So make sure to change the background. Got it? If we can trade in one coin, just one candle. This is it won't come till there. Can come here. Delete this. Resend to resend. Resend to resend. This is a recent one. The most recent. We can go by recent to recent. Okay. The recent fair value gap. For a while, for a small while, we can go for a short trade for that one fair value gap. Okay, nothing else. For that just one fair value gap. Can you see a fair value gap over here? Market will tap into this fair value. That's what I need. Just one single tap over here. I don't need this, this, this. Simple. Right now, support line rejection. We see. Can you see a support line rejection? From that support line rejection, I just want to go for a small fair value gap trade. A very small market order. Let's go for 50%. 30x of leverage. I don't want to take. I will take 20x of leverage. 20x of leverage. We will open short. Let it have some rejection, and we will open short. We will take a very small trade over here till the fair value gap because it's a very obvious trade. So I want to have this one very obvious trade over here till the fair value gap. That's all. Let the market reject a little, and then I want to enter at the market with open short. Everybody understand? Resolve the USDT we are trading. I am opening with 50% of my capital, which is basically $50, and trying to open a short till where? Till the fair value gap only. That's all. Okay. I will give me a moment. We entered. We have entered. You can see my P&L over here. This is my profit and loss scenario at this point. Okay. And my target, I don't want to keep it anywhere. I just want to keep my target at this point, which is TP is 0.0764. 0.0764. That's where 0.07684. Let's make a TP. 0.07684. 8%. 4 USD will be getting, but it's fine. I'm fine with 4 USD. I don't want answer. Okay. We'll be earning 4 USD. That's the order. 4 USD, and we will exit the market because this is the point where market can take support at whatever point. So we'll just go for a very small profit, 4 USD profit, and then we'll exit for another trade. It's a small trade which I can capture. That's why I'm capturing it. 4 USDT only. Let's see. Very small movement. because it's a very dicey situation is our resolve USDT. So we'll go for a very small movement. We'll have our profit. Still the market is little rejecting, but we'll touch our fair value gap because obviously market needs to grab that fair value gap. Zero 0.4 is minus, but we will gain the profit. Like I said to you, I'm not aiming for a big, I'm just aiming for a 4 years USDT profit because it's a very dicey situation over here. Welcome user 628726. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. 0.6 USDT profit. $1.7 USDT profit. 3.2, and we are very close to achieve our target. Very close to achieve our target. We will achieve our target in next 5 to 6 seconds or minute. 5 to 6 minutes we'll achieve our target. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, and done. Our target has been achieved. As you can see, if I go on order history over here, we have closed it with a PNL of 3.8 USDT profit. We have closed our trade. It can go more down, but I don't want to risk my trade at this point. I entered, I got the small profit and I exit the small profit. Okay, this is how you can take a trade in the small gaps as well, because this small gaps will be everywhere. The fair value gaps are not a very new thing. It will be in a very rare coin something. It will be in every coin, and that's what you can take and help of in taking this. Can you see exactly from the fair value gap? Now the rejection has started to happen. So take an advantage of this. Make sure that you are entering into the market and finding fair value gaps and all those kind of situations, so that you will be aware of what's happening in the market. Okay. So we have got the profit already. Now let's move to the next coin, because I think going for a buy situation resolvability at right now point is not a very good thing. Even though the support line suggests that we should go only, support line clearly suggests that we should go for a very good buy trade at this point, but we'll see what a market can give us. We'll see. If we can capture it in a big way or not. I want to basically capture this moment. This from here to here, almost 6.52% of market I want to capture. 6.52% of market I want to capture. Two bigger market. I would love to capture two bigger market. 6.52. The next coin which ZB suggested was some CHZ. CHZ. Let's find CH. C C C C C C C C C H. Okay. This is CH Z. Consider a trend line support. It's a 4 hours. 4 hours. Damn, it's a 4 hours. Very common supply. Very common supply. It's like legitly common supply. Can drag it. Now I want to drag it from a little more upper side. Let's not make it at a 4 hour. Let's find it in a 1 hour. Maybe in a 1 hour we can see it accurately. Okay. Right now, supply has started. will travel to demand Probably situation is this probably. It's not compulsory a probably situation. Always make sure that to plot your zones first, and then we will see what can happen. I started. Probably will travel to demand. One is here, another one is here, and this is the main thing. I have to make some data frame. This is resistance line in a day time frame. Okay. Yes. It's a day demand over here. This is a day demand. Okay. Not 1 hour, not 2 hour. It's a day demand. We won't respect it, but we will acknowledge it and it is there. Okay. It is there. That we can do. An acknowledgement is necessary. Plus a major swing, like not even a swing, it's a major. Plus it's a major swing. Not even a major swing, but like a major kind of consider like a very huge rejection happened from there. So let's see. What we spotted on 4 hours. 4 hours. That was 1 hour thing. Okay. And I was spotted I think on 4 hours. I just made adjustment to the trend line. Same scenario, trend line is traveling down. It may travel down till where? Till the support line. So we can take a small entry till the support line. That's what we can do. A small entry till the support line. We can make sure to take a small entry till support line. But if you look in a 1 day time frame, supply, that is the supply which is traveling down to the, where is that line? When I draw a line, why I cannot see that line? That is the line over there. Okay. Saw that line. From here, again it went up, created a very huge, big supply in the market, and from there is traveling. It possibly it will take rejection 1 point over here, which is let's say how much percentage of amount? 1 here or 2.1%, 2.10%. 2.10% of market fall we require. But there are lots of fair value gaps in between. But it's traveling simply same exact, like everything got liquidated. Once everything is already liquidated, see the moment got liquidated, now this is a phase where it can consolidate. That's why I'm feeling dicey. That's what you should also think whenever like a straight drop off comes. First thing what you look is if this green candles, all the green candles are liquidated or not. If it's already liquidated, high chances is somewhere around the start, it will again consolidate. It will goes in a sideways market. High chance. Shall we do it? Shall we go for it? Shall we go for it and make a small profit over here? Make a small profit till the resistance line. Support line, sorry, support line. Till the support line, we can make a small profit over here. Very small profit, but it is possible to make. I suggest let's make it. Why to think this much? Let's take that profit. Small amount of profit. Show me some rejection. Or upward, I will enter for you. I couldn't enter at good price, I feel. I entered at what? 0.02952, 0.02952, somewhere over here only. I already entered in more higher price, like 9495, like such kind of price. It's fine. We entered. So again, we'll take small profit. I am not hoping to get a bigger profit from it. We'll take a small profit. We'll close our trade once it hits our this resistance line, support line. Sorry. Once it hits our support line, we'll close our trade. We won't take the trade. This is a second trade, and you can clearly see I'm already at 2.6 USDT profit. 2.6 USDT profit we are already at. We are just hoping to reach where? To the support line. Simply to the support line, nothing else. 2.6, 2.6.6264 USDT already inside the market. Keep observing 2.276 USDT. We are inside. We are just gonna close. We will close our market at what? At the support line. Can you see that support line? This is the support line which I have made. We will close our trade at that point. Okay. For now, I will keep on zooming it because I have to observe every ticks so that I can close my trade accordingly. I am not gonna put TP over here. I will put close once the market hits over here. I will tap on the close button. Okay. Close long 100%. Close short actually. Okay. 2.276% of profit till now point. 2.276% of profit till now point. Welcome user 355191. Be a part of this challenge. Start trading with me so that you can also gain a huge amount of profit. Tap on the take a trade and tap on the deposit option and take the trade. I've already given you the trade for CHZ USDT. Go and tap on the take a trade and take the trade at right now. 1.19 USDT profit till now point. We are aiming for at least 5 to 10, which is okay for you as well because understand. I'm not see at every moment I entered late. Every moment started from a way above. I am in the very mid end way. So please make sure to enter in the profit in CHZ USDT before we took it in Resolve USDT. Right now we are taking in CHZ USDT. So understand it and take the trade. Click on the deposit option if you want to start the challenge with me and take a trade when I give you the trade. I've already given you trade at CHZ USDT. You can see my PNL down. You can see the trade is open. PNL is like 1.92 USDT. I have earned till now point. Okay. One point 1.15. Welcome user 217649 Azim Tate. I won't say that. Welcome user 217649. Welcome user 285575. Please make sure to join the trade with me. Take a trade because I have given you the trade in CHZ USDT. Go for a short trade and enter at whatever price is going on right now. Enter at that point and open short at this point. Click on that live stream option and tap to take a trade. Go. Tap on the take a trade and take a trade with me. Make sure all the people go on the take a trade option and tap on the take a trade on the live stream. You can see take trade, tap on the trade and take trade with me so that you can also earn profit side by side with me. Do not lose this opportunity because this is that opportunity like when I come on the live stream and I give you trade. Agar it's fine. All the users joining the live stream, thank you so much for joining this live stream. Make sure that you are tapping on the deposit option and starting this channel with me, challenge with me of 100 to 1000. If you're having small amount, that is totally fine. Tell me in the comment section what kind of capital you are entering with so that I can tell you XYZ leverage which you have to pick and enter for the short sell. Okay, make sure to open for short. Make sure tap on the take a trade option. It will take you directly to the trade. You don't have to go anywhere. Just tap on the take trade and it will directly take you to the take trade option. Do not forget the take trade option. You have to enter with the take trade option. Live stream option of take a trade and deposit if you want to start a challenge with me. If you don't have money, you can clearly see 2.27 USDT profit already. We are aiming for 10 to 12. So please make sure to go and take a trade. 1.92 USDT profit till now point. See, market is going down for very sure. So do not miss this opportunity. This is once in a lifetime opportunity for all of you people that in the live stream, whenever I give trade, now happily you are over here. Take advantage of this live stream and take the trade. User 934006, make sure that you're tapping on the take a trade option and taking the trade with me. 2.6 USDT profit till now point, and we are looking good. We are having more and more profit we will have. This is that coin which is suggested by the AI coin bot of the Zbit feature. So make sure that you are understanding the feature and taking trade in that feature. Like it will give you the most 20 coins in the last 1 hour, and that's what I saw and that's what I did, and I am right now trading in that coin. Okay, Azim Tate. Hey, your surname is something else, bro. I can't say it, but it is in my thoughts. It is in whenever I'm looking at that user ID, I'm looking at that one thing. Why? What's your surname? Is it Tate or nothing? There is no R on it. It's Tate only for me. It should be Tate. It should not be something else. It should be Tate what? Why? 2.27 USDT profit till now point. Looking good, looking down. Prediction going great, prediction going straight down. There is no such rejections like whatsoever rejection happening over here. Small decent rejection which is basically filling up the orders, If people sell, then people buy. Welcome user 676545. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this platform. I have given you the trade in CHZ USDT. So I've understood one thing, that trading in BTC and Ethereum is not for everybody. So I've tried to find those coins which is very easy, very small, very cheap for you to enter in the market. So this is the trade which I've given for all the people. Till now point I've earned 3.3 USDT from it. I'm hoping to get more, but let's see. We will get it approximately. I'm hoping for 7, 8 something, because this is very small movement. We are not capturing very big movement. We are capturing very small movement, because see, we missed the opportunity. Movement started from here. This was the start of the movement, and this is where the movement is going to end, or this is where the movement is going to end. Maybe here, maybe here. I'm aiming for here only, because why to risk in a very small movement, right? And this is the support trend line which we can see everywhere. The market, whenever came to that trend line, market has taken a support. That's why I'm just aiming for this one small support, not a very big movement I'm capturing, but still it's a definite movement which you can capture sure shot. Do not lose this opportunity to capture this movement. So click on the live stream take trade option. Can you see in the live stream there is a trade option? Click on that. Click on deposit. Do a deposit of your like whatsoever, and then take a trade. I've already showed you how you can take a trade with candles, right? Like this is one of, if I have to just make you explain this one situation. See, I told you whenever a candle is having a very good rejection from top. Can you see a rejection? This is L, sorry, H. This is L, open, close somewhere over here. Can you see a very good rejection? Now this rejection always indicates that a seller is going to take over from the market, and which this is the moment which we should have captured. But at that time moment, I was just explaining something regarding Zbit. I didn't observe it. When I observed, the market was already here. Okay, so whenever the market, whenever you see such kind of candles, a very huge rejection candle from the bottom, that means seller is trying to push the market down, 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 down. Most probably 80 to 90% you will see the next candle to form as a red color candle where sellers are entering in the candle. Same thing, rejection, red candle entered, sellers entered in the market. Observe these things very easily. These are like those things which you can observe in very easily, but people still don't observe it. They think that they can take a trade without observing such things. Very small, small things which you can observe in the market for very easy trades. 2.276 USDT profit. We are still roaming in that range only, but soon we will cover that our profit. 3.36 USDT profit. Let's hope to get more. Let's hope to get more. Welcome user 366850. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming. Earning profit. Why are you guys waiting? Rather than tap on the live stream option of take a trade and take that trade. You can see it on the bottom that there are two options. Just click on it and take the trades. I want to take a small break. 2.27, 2.276, same. It is going at 2.2, then it comes to 3.6, then again 2.2, 2.6. The same range it is going on side by side. That doesn't mean that market is right now changing the direction or something. That doesn't mean that. $3.327 profit. 2.9. 4 USDT. 3.3. Still going in that range, but we will achieve our profit, and that is for very sure. Welcome user 404363. Welcome on the live stream. Make sure to take the trade in CHZ USGT. That's the trade which I have given to all people for open short, future open short, not a spot trade. It's a future trade for open short. Okay. And you have the PNL right now I'm having is 4.3 USDT. You can take because still there is few movement left for the market to capture. Okay, so tap on the take a trade and take the trade, and make sure to do a deposit, because like I said to you all people that I am giving you free rewards offers every week, but only if you are eligible for the criteria is in my 5 days of live stream you need to deposit more than three or more than 3 times. Okay, then and then only you will be eligible for getting the free rewards, free offers, or maybe free USDT as well. Depends. If you deposit 5 days, I come Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In these 5 days, you have an option for me so that you can take it. Deposit 3 or more than 3 times. 2.976 USDT till now point. Gonna go more. Gonna go more. 3.32. 3.3 USDT. 2.9. Again. Like I said, it's not budging that much. User 1.5, it came back to 1.5, a bit rejection, but not, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. That rejection doesn't matter. I'll take a small break from all of you guys. User 457020, tap on the take a trade option and take a trade with me. I've given you trade for CHZ USDT. That's a challenge day number 2. We have entered the profit. I've already made 4 USDT profit in the resolvability. Now I'm going for this profit. I'm earning small profit because that's not the major big movements which is coming in the market. Okay. OP. What do you mean by OP? OPP. Is that a coin? OPP? User 457020. Is that a coin? Are you saying it's a coin, or are you saying that it is going to go opposite? Like from now, it is going to start rejecting or something like that. What do you mean by OPP? User 457020. I will be coming back in a short break. I will take a short break and I will be coming back. Okay. See you guys in a small break. Okay, it's here. Okay, I'll be coming back in a small break. We'll be meeting in 5 to 10 minutes. Bye bye. Okay. Huh. I came back and I'm having minus 1.5, but it's fine. Profit and loss in the game scenario. It's not like I have closed my trade. I still have option. It can still go down and we can still close it in a positive note. Stay, stay relaxed. Stay relaxed. See, it again came down minus 0.5. It will come to the profit scenario fast. 2.2 minus 1.5. Okay, little loss, but it is fine. It's not a very huge big losses. It's a very small loss. Minus 5, minus 9. Why this sudden movement up? A very sudden rejection from the market. The time I came back and it is this. Why? Let's see, let's see, let's have some patience, some patience, some patience. We'll have some small patience. Some small patience. We'll see. We'll have some small patience and we'll close this trade. Okay. Small patience needed. It's very small patience. We should not have patience. I feel. Minus. Okay. Close the short. I've closed the short. Let's try some. 10 minutes. In the last 10 minutes, the rejection happened. In the last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. We face some loss, but let's recover it. Let's go on some other. Let's recover our loss. Loss recovery is needed very much. All USDT. It gave us a breakout down. What about XRP? How does BTC look like? BTC is making sending a triangle chart pattern over here. Not ready to give a breakout. XRP, can you give us a break? See that the same thing I told you that crypto amy that this is just see it was a demand, but at the demand just one green candle came and that just gave us a very small movement. This is called a sentiment trading where people think like now it has a zone, let's go buy, and this is that reason of the buy. It doesn't continue because there is no a big person to support that point. Where is this market trying to go with all this heavy, huge buying? Where are you trying to go? 6 minutes is still left for 1 hour candle to close. 6 minutes is still left for 1 hour candle to close. Still falling smooth. Still falling smooth. Still falling smooth. Shall I go for a short trade over here? It doesn't give me any signal for short trade because we are already at the support line. Probably will take support soon from somewhere. CHUST is the one which can give us. Is it collecting all the sell orders from here? Collecting all the sell orders. Every of those sell orders. Welcome user 878345. Welcome user 369240. Welcome to the live stream. Thanks so much for being a part of this live stream. Not even giving big rejection above or big rejection below. Same, like a very normal candle. Let's see. Let's see. Won't face much loss. Maximum if it becomes -2, I will let it. I will leave the trade. Taking a risk trade over here. Considering 15-minute rejection, 5-minute red candle start. Considering those things, it just came up, liquidated everybody, and now started to fall down. But it's better. It gave us a very good opportunity for fall down. Maximum I'll bear 1 to 2 USD minus, and after that I will close the trade. If it goes like that, if it doesn't, then maybe we today we conquer the market. Welcome user 4578227. Welcome on the live stream. Halt, halt, a little bit of halt. Sudden, after a sudden movement, a bit halt. After a sudden movement, a halt. See, next time it started as a green red candle. It started as a red candle. Come on, early sellers. Push it market down. Early sellers. Push the market down. And then we will close the trade on a positive note. I mean, like, understandable from fair value gap, you are trying to go down, then go down. You hit the fair value gap already. 5-minute fair value gap. Come on. You can do it. Show the early signs, very early signs. Buyers are not letting it go down. Buyers are letting it go down. Fall. Good fall. A very good fall. Good fall. Keep falling. That's what I expected from you. Come on. Oh, yes. Keep falling. Let's go. 1.5 USD profit. Let's go. More. 2. 1.2. 0.6. Yeah. 2. 2.3. Come on. Yes. You can do it. I believe you can do it. More. More. Come on. Push, Mona. Push. Straight up candle down. How many times are you going to do? 1.5. We can recover our loss plus profit. Hope is a powerful word. Before it turned red, I should close it. But just 1.2 USDT profit is not a problem. Give me at least 4, 5, or give me back my 8, 9. Collected. Welcome user 403136 on the live stream of Zibit platform. Thank you so much for joining in. Right now trying to do a live trade. Let's see. Let's see. Let's 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 see. Don't go to make high now. I don't want you to go make high. First make a proper low. Then think about high. And that's super. Cross down, cross down, cross down, cross down. Let's go check resolve. I think it's a high time for resolve to go up. Give me one. I'll close. I'll close. Give me one, one, one. I'll close, close, close. Give me one, one, one. I will close, close, close. Welcome user 631525 on the live stream. Thank you so much for being part. Struggling today to take it. Struggling so hard. struggle, struggle, struggle. Come, chemo, Najee, come. I know you want it. I know you want to come down. I can feel you want to come down. Two ticks, two ticks, two ticks. One tick, two ticks down, two ticks down, two ticks down, two ticks down, two ticks down. Two ticks down. Two ticks down, ticks down, ticks down, ticks down, ticks down. More. अरे we'll observe this chart later. Let's try to make some resolve. Welcome user 665878. Welcome on the live stream. Please. So Welcome user 243856. Welcome everybody. Click on the deposit option. Be ready to be a part of challenge with me. Rejection. Click rejection. Rejection. That's long. Entry is what? 0.07683. 83 I entered. So let's see. Let's see. And the profit can be earned from USDT. Support trend length has been put. Support trend length support has been given. Let's see where does our support trend line takes us. Three USDT profit. Good going. 4 will recover our 10 and we'll leave the market. That's what I want to do. Recover our 10 and let's say like 4 to 5 above it, and then we'll leave the market. What happened before? 3.8 USDT profit till now point. Let's see. I'm hoping to get 10, recover my loss, and then above that, maybe some 5, 6. Where will be the 10? What if I just go by this? Which is 0.07803. 0.07803. Let's see. 0.07803. Oh, that is my take profit. Very small take profit. Just this. Somewhere over here. Or what about this tip, which is 0.07757. 0.07757. Give 17. Give 17. Let's go on the tip here. That's all. Nothing else. Give me the tip. Give me the tip. minus 2.6. $3.8. We'll leave it. We'll leave it. It will happen. We'll gain our profit. It is gonna happen. Gain our profit. Minus 4.5 now. 3.5. Let's go up. That's what I want. Jump up. 1.9. So many users. Take a trade, guys. Take a trade. Risk. Minus 3.8. Hoping to get 17 USDT from this trade. Again, profit. Hurt. Jump. Give me 17 USDT. One out of 17. We don't want to capture a very big. I just want to capture very small movement. Give me 17 USDT. 17 USDT. 17 USDT. DT. 17 USDT. Sold. Do you think that is the highest the market can go now of this candle? I believe no. I believe it can go more high. 1.7 2. Let's go. 1.3. 0.3. 0.5 minus 0.14 minus 2. Minus 3.4.7. This is 8.9, 7.75. Okay. Everything was there, right? Have patience. Have patience. The small halts are most irritating ones. When market stops at one. I don't know why, but I guess I am still having hopes, high hopes from this. You are not gonna give breakout that I know for very sure. You know why? Let's there. Welcome user 58153334. Welcome on the live stream. Buyers are, but I don't think so. We can pin. Let's see what happens. Whatever comes, whatever happens, it is what it is. Can't help, can't do. Patience, patience, patience. Let's keep patience. Let's have welcome user 964695. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for coming. 15 minutes left for market to close that candle. Final moments, final moments, final moments, final moments. Final moments in the market. The last final moments in the market. Day two lost 40 USDT today. In 2 to 3 minutes, I'll leave this live stream. I don't want to be in this live stream. 40 USDT. Okay, wherever I'm entering, it's going opposite. Wherever I am entering. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Decide my fate. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes to decide my fate. Cheers to me. Last 1 minute. Okay. I'll leave this live stream now. Welcome users 663597 663597. Welcome to live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I'm gonna leave this live stream. I can't see this red day. I wore a red shirt and I had a loss today. So much, bro. Hi, bro. 663597. Welcome. 40 USDT loss. Still counting, by the way. 40 USD and still counting. I'll leave this live stream. Thank you so much, guys, for being on this live stream today. Today was a very bad day for us. Hopefully, we'll recover those things tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Challenge day two started with a very bad thing. Lost 40 USD today. Hewing. What do you mean by hewing? 40 USD lost. Gone in the market. But it's fine. Today was not the day. Maybe tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same timing, 12 to 4. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Bye bye.